Howdy friends and neighbors, it's old Dale Collins coming to you today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. We're located at 3095 Dave Ward Drive, beautiful Conway, Arkansas. I get asked over and over and over, sometimes 4 or 5 times a day, is it a good time to plant trees in the fall? So that's what we're going to talk about real quick. And I don't want you to just take my word for it. I want to read you some information here that I've collected from the internet. And the first one is from the University of Arkansas Cooperative Extension Service. November is the best time in Arkansas to plant trees and shrubs, but it requires some planning and preparation. Here's another quote. Arkansas Fall Gardening, tips and facts. Fall is a great time for planting trees and shrubs. Again, that's from the University of Arkansas Cooperative Extension Service. The Good Earth Garden says fall is the best time to plant trees and shrubs. Roots have time to get established before the winter sets in, and which puts them ahead of spring plantings. Janet B. Carson, famous radio and garden person in Arkansas, says that fall to early spring planting is best. Even the plant outlet says this. Should we plant now? This is a question we get asked a lot each week. The answer is a very loud yes. Fall and winter are the best times to plant. As the plant material is going dormant and is cold and cool, and not as much water and care is required like the spring and the summer. So there you have it, from the University of Arkansas, from some of the largest nurseries in the state of Arkansas, and from old Dale Collins himself. Fall and early winter is the prime time to plant trees and shrubs in the state of Arkansas. This is Dale Collins of Presidential Gardens saying, thanks for watching. Well, it's Dale Collins back with you to wrap up another video and to say thanks for watching. But before we let you go, let me remind you that there's at least 5 things that I can think of that you can do to help this channel as we continue to grow and reach out to people across the country and around the world. And the first one is to hit that like button. If you like this video, if it's been a help and blessing to you, hit the like button. Go ahead and do it right there. Bam! That's it. And then the second one you can do is to share this video. If you have other people that are like-minded and have the same interest that you think these videos would be a help and a blessing to, I want to personally encourage you to share these videos with them. And then, of course, the other thing is to comment. We encourage you to comment. Put your comments down below, and I'll do my best to get back with you just as quick as I possibly can. And then there's that real fun one, the real interesting one, and that is the little bell notification button. Ding, ding, ding. Make sure that you hit it up there, and that way you will be notified when we come out with new videos. And of course, the other one is to make sure you have personally subscribed to this channel. And that all you do there is simply hit that subscribe button. I'm not for sure where it is on that screen or where it is, but somewhere you'll find it there. And you hit that subscribe button and it'll be all right. Listen, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.